Hi, I'm Sahal Hussain. Now I'm going to presenting my proposal. My proposal topic is challenges and opportunities in advancing sustainable fashion, consumer perceptions, industry adoptions, and regulatory frameworks. Some introduction and research background. The fashion industry is one of the largest contributors to environmental issues, including carbon emissions, water pollution, and textile waste. Research by Nanimaki et al. 2020 emphasizes the need for sustainable practices to address these challenges. Simultaneously, consumer interest in sustainability is growing, but a gap exists between their awareness and purchasing habits, often influenced by cost and accessibility. The research aim and objective of my proposal is uh, the study explores the opportunity and challenges of sustainable fashion. The objectives are: number one, to understand consumer perception of sustainable fashion; number two, to evaluate industry innovation and responses; number three, to analyze the role of regulatory framework in advancing sustainability. Key insight from the literature review of my research is the research highlights that adopting circular economy models and ensuring supply chain transparency are vital for addressing environmental concerns. Moreover, consumer behavior studies identify cost and accessibility as major barriers to sustainable purchasing, underscoring the need for education and government incentives. In methodology, this study uses a quantitative approach with online surveys targeting 152 to 100 respondents aged 18 to 45, focusing on millennials and Gen Z. Data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics and correlation analysis to identify trends and relationships, with visual tools like bar and pie charts to present the findings. In conclusion, uh, sustainable fashion requires collaboration across consumers, industries, and policymakers. Consumer education, industry innovation, and stringent regulations are key to bridging the gap between awareness and action. While challenges remain, this collaborative approach paves the way for long-term progress. Yeah, so that's it, and here here is my references. Thank you for listening me.